How's it going, YouTube? Big Shave. Tony here once again. I'm going to be doing a shave today. I know I haven't been doing a lot of shave of the days or shave of the night or videos, but I've been a little bit busy. My wife and I just bought a new car, and you know, we've been just hanging out and everything else. I have been shaving every other day. I've been mostly using my Future, Astra Greens, my Whip Dogs, 24mm silver tip, and my it's been a mix up between Absolute Zero and Parasso. So I just got out of a hot shower and just applied some Parasso pre-shave. I'm going to be using Parasso aftershave, Persona Blues, my Future set at 4.5. I have razorock lavender. I'm also going to be demoing how I lather razorock. I also have my big shave brush, number 87, if you can see that. So I haven't been using this a lot. I've just been letting it sit there and, you know, looking at it. So I've had the brush there soaking for a while. And sorry if I look a little different. It's the camera set up a little bit different today. Have the razorock been soaking, brush has been soaking, and we're going to go ahead and start this shave. So let me move a couple things first. Alright, what I do is just dump out the water that's been sitting in here, squeeze out a little bit of the water, and just go ahead and start swirling. You are going to make a little mess. It's fine, you know, it'll be good. So this is what I do so far. I'm just going to do it off camera so I can not get soap all over the countertop and get it inside the sink. So, I hope everyone's been doing good. I've been noticing there's a couple things going on in the big shave that, you know, people have their own opinions too and everything else. And it's just like everything else. Just like they say, don't talk about religion and politics at work. It's, you know, same with the big shave. It's the big shave, it's shaving, I think. That's just my opinion. But, so far, I have a nice lather starting to come up, if you can see. I'm just going to wet my face now and start face lathering. I have mostly been face lathering for, you know, this entire month of, well, now August, but it's September now, so I have my face wet a little bit. And I don't know how long I was doing that for. I generally just start lathering it until it gets a nice creamy lather on the soap itself. And so here we go for the first, you know, lathered on my face. Just gonna wet my brush, wipe off the runways, and we're gonna start shaving. I only had I shaved yesterday, so it was a fast shave. Wasn't very, I didn't take my time with it. I just needed to get it done. And for that I use Tom's St. James. But other times I've been doing it really slow and taking my time with it and just enjoying my shaves. So there's my first pass. It's done. I'm just going to apply my second pass now. So I still have a large amount of lather still in my brush. And I'm only going to do 2 passes today, but I'll let you know how many passes you can get with it. I'm going to go against the grain now. Was it 2 days ago or Thursday? I used my Boots brushless soap and it kind of irritated my skin a little bit, which is fine. I mean, it could be the future jumping, but I think it was that because it was burning a little bit, which it has done before. But I'm just going to do 2 passes today. I'm going to rinse off my face real fast and I'll be back. So, I told you I was going to show you how much I have. I mean, I still have that much lather, and it's good for another 2 passes, I want to say. That's what I've been getting out of all of my lathers lately. It's about 4 passes worth, and been really liking it. So that's just my method of how to lather. I know a lot of people do it differently, and you know, it's everyone's opinion how they do it, but that's just my way. I saw on the Big Shave the other day someone put in theirs at 6, their Future all the way at 6. So I'm just going to rinse this off. And show you my settings at 6. Don't know if you can see the blade. Try to get it to focus. But mine's pretty spot on, straight. There we go, a little bit better. Maybe it isn't, but I haven't had any problems with it. So there we go. I know someone was asking me, they emailed me about it saying if mine was crooked. Mine actually goes up to 6.5. See, there's the little dot. Here is 6, there's 6.5. So, mine does not do it. I'm going to go ahead and apply the pre-shave here. And there we go, folks. Ladies, gentlemen, hope you have a good day and great shaves. Hope I didn't upset anyone with my comment. And I hope I gave some good advice about lathering razorock lavender. It's pretty easy. It's just like everything else, just takes a little bit of practice, and I'm not the best at everything, but I think I've done pretty good so far. So, alright everyone, have a good night, good day.